Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week, well, kind of over fall, or fall manicures, or my fall manicures, I should say. I want to do something Christmassy. I know it's early, but the stores are selling everything early. Everything for Christmas is being sold early. Well, for all the holidays, they've had it out early. I don't know if it's just because of COVID, or they're just trying to cash in on that buck. So, I'm not trying to cash in on $1. I just want to do a Christmas manicure. So, that's what I'm going to do today. I have picked out... Whoops. I have picked out a few decals from SheModern. I have got 2 tiny little snowmen and 1 beautiful red wreath. They both come, all wreath came off of the sheet. It is this right here, but the smaller version. And my tiny little hello Erica, hello snowmen. So that's what we're going to do here today. I'm going to try to have maybe some falling snow with the dotting tool. I was going to put actual snow decals on, but I want to make little snow, just dotting, you know, doing a dotted cure, so to speak. So that's my plan. I got my little bottle of water from SheModern. You can get those with your order when you order your pigments, not your pigments, like your jellies, anything like that, your decal, you know, you usually get a little bottle for your first order or whatnot. Got my other palette over here that I'm going to put some white polish on. It is by Diva in a Bottle, which is made by Princess Nails Diana. She now has her own website, I found out, divainabottle.com. So go check that out. It's where you can order all your polish from her. So, let me see. We've got our decals going. We're going to have bling on these 2 nails. Oh, we're going to do a sugar nail. Let me do that first. I should put these on too. Take these off. These 3 nails, I am going to use the glue gel. I'm going to use this to hold the decals on, and the sugar. SheModern does not still sell the sugar. It was discontinued. Don't know why. Didn't ask. But I am one of the few, the lucky few, I should say, that do have some. I love to use them. I love the way a sugar nail looks and feels. So I lately have been incorporating them into my manicures, and this one's going to be no different. So that is in the lamp. We've got our decals going over here. These are going to be our bling nails. I'm going to wait on those. Got those in for a real, shouldn't say a quick cure, but you know, 30 seconds or so. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos, and you don't want to get lost in the hustle and the bustle in December, because there's a lot of manicures coming out. You know, and I want you to take part in, you know, the viewing, the watching, the sharing. So I'm going to do the sugar nail first. Let me put these back up here. Whoops, I need another palette. Let's get this one. It will do. I am using the gray Hollow Sugar Crush. Do love these. I already said that, didn't I? Sorry. When I love a product, I love a product. Just a little bit more. A little does go a long way, but I like to make sure the nail is covered side to side. Make sure you get your tips, your cuticle area, your sidewalls, and your free edge. Tap, tap, tap. I do not brush it. I do push this into the glue. And I also, when I do a sugar nail, I stick it back in the lamp. To me, in my mind, it adheres better into the glue. But that's just what I do. So now, our decal should be ready. Yep. I'm using my Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology. I do have a code. I will put that across the bottom of the screen. Also, it is in the description box. All codes that I am a brand ambassador for companies you find down in the description box, so please check that out. You may come across one you need to use. Save yourself some coins. So I have got the red wreath. There you go. And I'm going to place that about the nail. I'm also going to grab my silicone tool and just flatten it out. Make sure there's no water or air bubbles. So I'm going to put that one back. Over here is where we are doing our snowmen. Damp them off on a lint-free surface. Whoops. Whoopsie. Gotta love a snowman, right? Dab off some water here. There's something on my stamper. I don't know what it is. Let's smooth out your snowman. Make sure there are no air or water bubbles. I think I said that right. Now, where'd it go? I am going to take some of Charlie's nail art. This is called Pixie Dust. I think this is just beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip the edge of the nail of those two. Actually, I'm going to try to put some on with a brush, maybe. Just maybe. Let me get a brush out. So I think this would look really pretty on the nail. Make it just a little bit more. I just think this is a really pretty mix. When I'm top coating, I don't know if you'll be able to see that too well. I'm going to do the same thing with the snowman. Now, there ain't so much. I could have used SheModern's, what was it called? They have like a sparkling, a twinkling that I could have used, but I did want to try this out too. Push that down in the glue. I still think that's really going to show up after top coated. I don't know. We'll find out. Here's our sugar nail. I think this looks just beautiful. Oh, I forgot to turn my light on. That one. Whoops. It's not working. There we go. Shine the light on the subject here. I was in the dark. think this is just pretty as sugar nail. I think it's, I don't know, I think they're just very cool. I like them. Not everybody has to, but I do. I'm going to take some eye gel beauty. I would show you the label, but I guess it's kind of been rubbed off. I love how thick it is. That's primarily why I use it. So this is going to be one of our bling nails. I have got some here. Let me clear this stuff out of my way. Sorry. Please bear with me. Put you a nice coating of top coat. Cover your nail real good. And apply your bling. Alright. Well, got more than one going there. Let me fix these here. I'm gonna pop these in real quick. And now the pinky. Whoopsie. Then we're going to place our bling, just as we did on the thumb. I hope there's enough room. Uh-oh. There we go. I'm going to pop this one in as well before it decides to slide off on me. Whoops. There's our thumbnail. It turned out really nice. Now, I'm going to take my dotting tool and put some snow. Just randomly about the nail. Oh, sorry if you cannot see. And I have got something on my dotting tool. Just a few random dots. Just give it a little bit of snow. There we go. One a little more up here. Here we go. So I'm going to put these two in the lamp. Let those cure for a minute. And we will be back to top coat. Alrighty, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. I think this looks really beautiful so far. Trying to let you see the sugar. I'm going to top coat these two and we will be finito. We will be finito. Hope everybody is doing well and getting on, even though we still got COVID going on and seems like numbers are going up. A lot of people think it's fake news, but I don't know. I've not had the pleasure, thank God, of anybody I know getting it. All I can say is thank you, Jesus, for that. I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Give it a full cure. And we'll be back. We are back and out of the lamp. Our manicure is finito. I think it's turned out really beautiful. Simple, but elegant and beautiful. And you can wear this on a night on the town when it gets closer to Christmas. Anyways, I'm going to invite you again to subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and click all. That way you get to take part with me and hopefully get to know each other better, get a little chit-chat going on. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this manicure before you. Give me a thumbs up because that lets me know you like what you see. You may want to see more. And it also has to do with analytics with YouTube, I guess I was told too. And yeah. Hope you are all having a great day. I know fall is still here with us, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.